Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Toy, and on this channel we are simply cooking. So today we are going to be making strawberry glaze. So I already chopped up the strawberries. I washed and cleaned those. We're going to be using some sugar, balsamic vinegar, a little bit of water, some cornstarch, and some vanilla. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the eye. And I'm just going to put these in the pot right quick. One fell off. Side. So while that's heating up, I'm going to get us 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and that's going to be for a little later. And I got some water here, so I'm just going to pour like 2 tablespoons of water. And now, so I'm doing this just in case our strawberry glaze be too watery. We got some cornstarch and water. It's not going to mess up the taste or anything. So it's just going to make it a little bit thicker. Add just a little more water. And the strawberries usually make its own sugar already, so I hear it up there sizzling behind me. Go ahead and stir this up. Just a little bit. And see how it's cooking? We're going to put some vanilla in there. That's probably like 3 tablespoons of vanilla. And it's already making its own little juices. This is real easy to make. You can use this on your pound cake, pancakes, cheesecake, whatever that you want your glaze on. Just stirring that up. In there, so I'm just going to go ahead and put a lid on it. Turn it down to medium heat, and let that simmer for about 10 minutes, and then I'll show you how it's going to. Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes, actually about 7 minutes, and see how it's just cooking up. It's really cooking now. So it's a little bit too watery for me. So I'll go ahead and put some of this cornstarch in here. And what that does, that makes it just a tad bit thicker. And I put like 1 tablespoon, so that's gonna make it a lot. That's gonna make it a lot thicker. And for our final ingredient, balsamic vinegar. And that just brings out the taste. So I'm gonna turn it on low. And I'm only gonna put like 1, probably 2 tablespoons, because I got a lot of strawberries. And that brings out the flavor in the strawberries, or something that just makes this taste so good. I'm just gonna stir that up. And that is pretty much done. I got it on low. The strawberries looking all juicy. That looks so good on some pound cake and some pancakes. And you just want to chop up your strawberries. You don't got to chop them up. You can chop them up how you want to chop them up. It's not a technique of how you chop up strawberries. I am going to go ahead and let that cool. Turn off the eye. And we pretty much finished. Let that cool for a little bit. And then I am just going to put it in a container, and you can put it up in your refrigerator. So I'll be back to let you know. It's going to cool for about, I let that cool for about 10 minutes. Take it off the stove, put it on a cooling rack, let that cool for 10 minutes. And then I'll show you what's next. Alright, this has been cooling for about, I said 10 minutes earlier, but I let it sit for about 25 minutes because I want to put them in a mason jar because I want to save it for later. So I need to taste it. Woo! That is so good. And this is how I like it. So it's kind of thick. It's juicy. The strawberries is not too soggy, and it's just delicious. It's just going to be delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some in a little jar. Oh, it's big. See, and you can put it on anything. You can put it on whatever sweets you want, whatever glaze you want to have strawberries on. You just put it on that. I want to go ahead and put some in my mason jar because I want to save some for later. So, I'm pretty much making a mess right here. But what's the name? Big mason jar. And these strawberries I had cut up, how many? think it was like 6 pounds of strawberries that I had cut up, washed, and 6 pounds would get you a lot. So I should use some more. I got all this stuff left over. And I still got some left over. So I'm just gonna probably get a smaller mason jar. And you can put this in your refrigerator, and it usually lasts up to like 3 weeks. Close it tight. And you can always have it for later. And this is how it looks. Put that over there so you can see. It just looks so delicious. Okay, thank you for watching. Until next time, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you on the next video.